The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now I have a video to show you of an incident that had happened within an area of the Kingston wharf, that is the Kingston wharf of Jamaica, right? Now, this incident had happened on the 24th of October 2019, and this video shows of the crime scene of a person that had been shot and killed. Now, there has been more things that had been said about this incident that had happened. However, some of what had been said had not been confirmed, alright? So, a lot of them is just speculations. So therefore, you can check the comment section to see if there's any updates on this incident. Now, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened. And this video is a very short video, viewers and subscribers, alright? But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, alright? Observe.
Scary. Come and get the shot in the chest.